going for 1 million, but first, 100 subscribers.
Are you
and
sure?
likers.
Let me smell it.
Make sure to like all of our videos.
Okay.
Yuck!
Okay, girls. Yuck, are you kidding? Okay, how do we make? Here, you hold this up, honey, and you hold that up.
This is what they're gonna look like at the end.
Okay, yes, that's right. That is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is show you how to make these adorable cupcake chocolates. Just like this. See, so
Should we taste one?
well, you can taste test one at the very end. Scooch together so we can see you love bugs. Okay, so what we're gonna do is show you. So what we did, come on over. Okay, get your parents or an adult to help. Okay, so we've got melted chocolate here, and it's called a double boiler, okay? So I put some water, whoa, steaming hot water. This is why you get your parents to help. Steaming hot water, and then it was just chocolate chips. You can taste this to chocolate chip if you want, okay? So then this is what we did.
Wait a minute. I
We
got
just
one.
melted it all. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm okay. Thanks for offering though. I'm okay. Thank you. Okay, so girls, I'm just going to put this down for a second. Here, can you guys, here, you say hi to the video. This is very hot. Whoa.
Hi guys. Oh, here she comes.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, vloggers over here.
Sorry, vloggy. Okay, so
We're
this is
very
hot.
sorry.
This is hot. Be
Yeah.
careful. Don't touch that. I should have taken this off. Anyway, so this is melted. So simple. Nothing else. Chocolate, chips. Don't touch the bowl yet. A little bit of water in a pot. And melty. Then we've got this. Now let's go get a plate so the chocolate doesn't go over the counter, okay?
Yes, we already put a plate
Okay.
for these little mini chocolates.
Yes.
I just want to eat one.
Yes. At the end, you're going to eat one. Let's
At
show
the
them how to make it. Let's show them how to make it, okay?
Yeah, we need to show that.
Okay, so put your mold on here, just like that, okay?
Yeah.
And then get your whoa, this bowl is so
Get
darn
your
hot. I don't want you to burn yourself,
We
okay?
won't.
Okay, so you just get a little bit and put a little bit in each mold.
Yeah.
Okay.
And take turns.
Yeah, you know what, Miss Lulu, go get yourself another little spoon, sweetheart. And then you can do the other half. And this is so fun. For every occasion, I kind of wish we had a star mold for the 4th of July. That would have been fun.
Yeah.
And then you could have done like red, white, and blue sprinkles. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Should
that
we go
would
get sprinkles?
Yeah, red, white, and blue.
Okay, let me go see what we have in the pantry, everybody.
Be quick.
Okay, I'll be quick. Let's go to the pantry. Oh no, okay, there's the light. Sprinkles. Ooh, we do. Okay, let's do these. We've got our whole sprinkle section. Okay. Okay, girls, I have rainbow sprinkles. That's gonna be fun. So the back of them can have
I
sprinkles.
said red, white, and blue, but those are even prettier.
Yeah, these are gorgeous, right? Like sprinkles
Yes,
on a
are
cupcake.
they dairy free, you guys? How about
Oh,
we
you know what? Put them in first so that they're gonna be in the top.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's okay. Here, you can put them on the back of those ones. Oh, I love melting chocolate into shapes. It's so fun. For Easter, you can do bunnies. For Christmas, you can do
Santa Claus.
Santa and reindeers. We should just have a whole chocolate
I got
set
here.
playlist. Ah! We should have a chocolate playlist. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so yeah, put sprinkles in all the molds. So then, oh, that looks good. So then when we pour in the melted chocolate.
I think I need more. I need more, guys. It's not getting in I got some of mine.
Oh gosh, don't get them all over the ground. Oh.
It's so messy.
You guys are masters of messiness. Whoa.
We're the masters of messiness. You guys, stay away from us. Here comes one.
Do you know what I want to watch? This is making me want to watch.
What?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, that one is scary.
Oh, yeah, we didn't love the newer one, but we loved the original one.
Yeah.
The old-fashioned one. It wasn't so scary.
Yep.
Okay, that's a little too much, baby.
We're just shake it like this.
Oh, okay. Here, I'm gonna start.
Whoa.
I'm gonna fill a mold. Watch here. So see, that's like the perfect one. Here, let me show you. This one is good. Oh, geez, Louise. Okay, there we go.
Do we feel that one?
There. And now
This
when it
looks like a
dries,
smile
it's
one,
going.
guys.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Great.
Okay. Good job, Land.
What?
Oh my gosh. No, don't lick the sprinkles. Oh man. Okay, I will wash this with soap. soap after. Sweetie, that's not right. We can't. Mommies and daddies won't let their kids watch if we teach bad things.
So sorry.
It's
Don't do this at home.
But you know what? Making mistakes is how we learn. That's how I learned to cook. And I'm still not a 5-star chef, but I've improved.
Still not 100% good, you guys.
I'm not? I'm not?
But you are pretty good at making dinner.
What's your favorite thing that I make? Whoops, I'm making a mess, see? What's the favorite thing I make? Plain pasta. Yes. You like my salmon. And plain rice.
Yes. I'm a huge fan of coconut rice, you guys, because it just tastes so good without anything else, like overwhelming the taste of the coconut.
Oh, okay. So you just like when I make it with like coconut cream.
How about we just pour on the plain and sprinkle some?
Oh, great. So this is just such a fun, easy activity. And it's not even that unhealthy because we use dark chocolate with less sugar, and it's even vegan. There's no dairy in here if somebody has allergies or doesn't want to have dairy. And so why don't we taste test them, girls? And then we're going to go swimming. Then it's time to go out there. Here, I'll show them the swimming pool. Actually, how is it? How is it? Good? 1 is good, 1 or 2. I think 2 would probably be a good limit. Okay.
I had 3.
Okay, these are going like hot cupcakes.
I had 3.
Oh my gosh.
I had 2.
Yeah. You had 1 earlier. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's enough. You're gonna get a stomachache. Let's show them where we're going. We're gonna go and swim off some of this energy. Right down there. There we go. That's where we're gonna go. Okay. So, let's go get some exercise. Woo! Oh, isn't that, yes, what a nice idea too. Just put the sprinkles in here. See, I didn't think of that. Oh yeah, oh my. And then, okay.
Let me, put more in there. Okay. I need to put more.
Oh.
The whole cup.
Well, I guess you licked it, so it was now I don't have to wash it. Okay.
Because it is empty.
How fun is this on a scale of 1 to 10?
Wait, can I lick the spoon?
It's awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. We can't do anymore because now we're starting to teach bad lessons, I think.
Don't do that.
Don't do that at home. Okay, let's say thank you so much, subscribers.
Thanks so much, subscribers. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And also, smash that like button like this.
Okay.
And also, make sure to come back for the next one video.
Okay, let's go exercise off the sugar. Okay, thank you guys.